Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best misting fans on the market right now. Whether you're looking to beat the summer heat indoors or enjoy a cool breeze outdoors, we've got something for everyone. We'll take a detailed look at each product, breaking down features, design, performance, and value. Be sure to check the product links in the description below for more details. So, without further ado, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Zecon 460ml portable misting fan. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a simple and effective cooling solution. The 460ml tank offers 2 misting modes, continuous and intermittent, giving you up to 120 minutes of cooling mist. Its built-in 24,000 mAh battery ensures a runtime of 15 to 140 hours, making it a great option for camping trips or power outages. Plus, you can use it as a power bank to charge your devices. The Zecon fan is compact and lightweight, with a modern design that's easy to carry around. It comes with a hidden hook for hanging, a vertically adjustable fan head, and a remote control for added convenience. While it's not as powerful as some of the higher-end models, its ultra-quiet operation, 30 dB, and energy efficiency make it a solid choice for personal use. The Zecon is ideal for those on a budget who need a reliable, portable misting fan for occasional use. However, its smaller tank and limited misting range, 2 meters, might not be sufficient for larger spaces. If you're looking for affordability and portability, this fan has got you covered. At number 4, we have the VCAP portable misting fan. This fan is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a versatile and portable cooling solution. With a 460ml water tank and a powerful misting distance of 2 meters, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The 24,000 mAh rechargeable battery stands out, offering an impressive 30 to 120 hours of runtime. Additionally, it doubles as a power bank, which is a big plus for outdoor enthusiasts. The VCAP fan features 4 adjustable speeds and ultra-quiet operation, making it suitable for a variety of activities from camping to working at your desk. It also includes a built-in LED light with 2 brightness levels, which is especially useful for nighttime outdoor adventures. While it's similar in price and design to the Zecon, the VCAP earns a higher rank thanks to its slightly better build quality and higher customer rating of 4.9 stars. On the downside, the VCAP doesn't have advanced features like oscillation or multiple misting modes. Still, its combination of portability, long battery life, and reliable performance makes it a fantastic value for the price. This fan is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on essential features. At number 3, we have the Shark FlexBreeze HydroGo fan, a premium option that combines portability with exceptional performance. This fan is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring a powerful airflow that can reach up to 70 feet. The integrated misting system provides ultrafine droplets that reduce temperatures by up to 5 degrees, making it perfect for hot summer days. Weighing just 5 pounds, the HydroGo fan is ultra-portable and comes with a long-lasting 12-hour battery. It also offers corded operation for unlimited runtime, with 5 fan speeds and a quiet 36 dB operation. This fan provides a customizable and peaceful cooling experience. The build quality is excellent, with a water-resistant design that ensures durability in outdoor settings. While the Shark FlexBreeze HydroGo is packed with features, its higher price point may not appeal to everyone. Additionally, its battery life is shorter compared to some competitors. However, if you're looking for a high-performance fan that delivers powerful cooling and versatility, this is a great choice for both home and travel. Coming in at number 2 is the Aliexpress portable misting fan, a feature-packed option that's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the 2-liter water tank, which provides hours of continuous misting without frequent refills. You can choose from 4 misting modes: continuous, 3S, 5S, 7S, to tailor your cooling experience. This fan is powered by a massive 30,000 mAh battery, offering an impressive runtime of up to 72 hours on a full charge. It also features 180-degree manual tilt and 120-degree automatic rotation, ensuring wide coverage for larger spaces. The vibrant RGB lighting on the fan's base adds a fun, party-ready vibe for outdoor gatherings. Plus, the included remote control and eco timer make it incredibly user-friendly. While the Aliexpress fan is slightly bulkier than some other models, it's perfect for patios, camping trips, and outdoor parties. It strikes a great balance between performance, battery life, and additional features, making it an excellent mid-range option. Finally, at the top of our list is the Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist Fan. This is the ultimate misting fan for those who want premium features and unmatched cooling performance. Its 70-foot airflow reach and ability to lower temperatures by up to 12 degrees make it a standout choice for any environment. The Pro Mist Fan transitions seamlessly from a pedestal fan to a tabletop design, offering versatility for both indoor and outdoor use. What sets this fan apart is its integrated removable misting tank, which doesn't require a hose or additional attachments. It also boasts a long-lasting battery life of up to 24 hours when used cordlessly. With features like 180 degrees oscillation, 55 degrees vertical tilt, and a whisper quiet noise level of 55 dB, the FlexBreeze Pro delivers a highly customizable and comfortable cooling experience. Although it's priced at the higher end of the spectrum, the Shark FlexBreeze Pro offers unparalleled build quality and a comprehensive feature set. Whether you're hosting an outdoor event or simply need a reliable fan for your living room, this is the best misting fan on the market right now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect misting fan for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. If you have any questions about these products, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next one.